If production planning is giving you a headache, you're not alone. Many manufacturers find it difficult to keep up with customer demand and manage supply chain disruptions, especially if they're using legacy systems. However, there's a better way. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive business application that can help you streamline production planning, making it more accurate, efficient, and transforming the way you plan and execute production. Let's take a closer look. With Dynamics 365, you can replace your siloed, outdated legacy systems and gain a single system of record for all your production planning needs. You'll have everything in one place, from sales to inventory and purchasing to demand forecasts, plus everything in between. Dynamics 365 offers flexible capacity planning, accommodating different production cycle timelines. You may have short production cycles like in apparel or equipment manufacturing, or much longer cycles like in footwear or furniture, requiring a greater dependency on forecasts. Either way, you'll appreciate being able to configure constrained and unconstrained capacity availability, helping you achieve greater efficiency in your production planning process. And with Microsoft's investments into data lake and analytical tools, it's now easier than ever to visualize your organization's data to help make more meaningful decisions faster. Dynamics 365 is part of the Microsoft platform, which offers advantages in R&D investment, an exciting future roadmap, and seamless integration with Office 365 for greater productivity and collaboration. And with access to Azure and the Power Platform, your business can innovate much faster with Dynamics 365 as its primary business system. Microsoft is second to none when you consider the advantages of the full platform. Sunrise is the Microsoft partner for discrete manufacturers that are looking to solve their production challenges. Ready to take the next step? Let's talk! Sign up for a demo today.